welcome in PLC Simatic video. In this video we show how to get a username which is logged in the HMI runtime. Okay, for this I create the IO field where we show the name of the logged user. Also I create the button where after releasing this button we show logon dialog. And also I create the tag where we save the username. Okay, the easiest way how to get the username in the runtime, after logging the user, we can use schedule tasks. Okay, we go to the schedule tasks and add new task, for example with name username. As a trigger of this task we use user change. This means when user change in our runtime, then this task is triggered. Okay, we go to the properties of this username task, and in the event we use the function get username, and as a tag of this function we use username tag. Okay, we save, copy the tag name, insert it as a tag, as a process tag of our IO file, change the length of the file, and also don't forget change the length of the tag in which you save the username. We use also 20. Okay, and now we can try if it works good in the simulation for now. Okay, we start the simulation. So when we click on the logon button, then you see the log on the dialog open. Here we insert the username, for us is administrator. Then you insert the password, click enter and OK. And how you can see, here in the IO file is the name of the logged user. Also where we use the log off instruction, okay, we insert another button, log off. As an event we use log off function. Okay, now we go back to the simulation. And as first we again log in. Okay, username show in our IO file, and now when we are log off, no username in IO file. So this is the easy way how to get the logged username in your HMI project and program. So thank you for watching this video and goodbye.